Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a bottle-fed baby like I do, you know it's so much work to keep all of their bottles nice and clean. Well, this sterilizer and dryer from Bololo makes the job so much easier. I love that this sterilizer is not an eyesore in our kitchen. It has a really nice sleek design and it's the perfect size. It's also super easy to use. It has just 4 buttons. You turn it on or off. Auto will sterilize and dry, which is what we use the most, and you can choose to just sterilize or just dry. You would put water in this compartment first, which you want to remember to clean after every use, and then in this large compartment you can put your bottles in. We like to do 6 at a time and it's nice and roomy. And for the smaller bottle parts, you can use this little basket, which was designed so thoughtfully with these little slots. We can fit so many of our bottle parts. So now you would just go ahead and turn your sterilizer on, and don't forget to put your lid on, of course. I love that the lid is clear because you can kind of see the progress of it all, and then you would just start it. I love how the sterilizer has a timer on the bottom to let you know how much time is left, and it only takes an hour to both sterilize and completely dry your bottles, and we all know that there is nothing better than having completely clean and dry bottles ready to use for your baby. I highly recommend that you try this sterilizer and dryer from Bololo. You won't regret it. It's going to make your life so much easier, and that's my point of view.